Forgotten username recovery failed on Acorns Early Fix. If your Acorns Early username recovery keeps failing, don't stress. Most people get this wrong because they assume Acorns Early still uses traditional usernames. The surprising truth is that Acorns Early now uses the parent or guardian's registered email as the main login credential, which is why the old forgot username process often fails. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Open the Acorns app and select the Early Account section. Enter the parent or guardian's registered email instead of a username. If you're unsure which email was used, check your inbox for past messages from Acorns like account updates, transaction alerts, or notifications. Step 2. If you've forgotten your password, click Forgot Password and follow the instructions sent to that email. Be sure to check at your spam or junk folder if the email does appear immediately. Step 3. If you originally signed up using a third-party login, such as Google or Apple, log in using that same method. Switching login methods is a common reason recovery attempts fail. Step 4. If you still cannot access the account, contact Acorn support. Provide your full name, the child's name, register email, and explain that the forgotten username recovery failed. Their team will verify your identity and restore access securely. Most users assume the account is lost or locked, but the reality is simple. Acorns Early removed usernames to streamline login and improve security. So don't worry, your account and your child's funds are safe. Use the registered email, reset your password if needed, and you'll be back managing the Acorns Early account in minutes.